I mentioned about, in the book, about certain species that only exist there. I mean, endemic species, some relict species that like there is a particular species of pine, for example, that is a relict from a pine that, was spread, in the Mediterranean, in the past. The endemics that are species that only exist there, although one of my colleagues, has done, a botanist, actually, I've been in contact with him, and he has done, a study of those, and he said that, some have been misinterpreted. So there aren't really endemics, but there are still, a lot of endemics, and there is a map that I included there, with endemics of plants and animals. There are certain species that have disappeared in other areas in the Mediterranean, but they still exist there. There is this Legless lizard. That one time, I had an encounter with one of them, being in the field. It looks pretty much like a snake. So when you see it, it looks like a snake, and when this animal, sees, a person, I mean, it's totally harmless. It kind of, coils itself, and jumps. So the thing, jumped, over me. And also imagine, this snake, coming, flying, over you, was actually really scared. Well, this species, exists, are supposed to be, have existed, all through the Black Sea and the Mediterranean. But Crimea is one of the last places, where it has been, and it's obviously, protected. The problem, as I explained in the book, is that people, take it, sometimes, as a snake, and it's not a snake. It's a legless. It's a lizard that developed, as such.